friends, this is Anku, and here today I will show you how to connect the ESC and BLDC motors together for a flying quad. So you can see this one is the ESC. Let me just open it so that I can show you better. So you can see that it has 6 wires. It has a set of 3 wires on each side. Or at one side it has 3 blue wires, and at the other end it has 2 wires mainly, and the other one is black, and the multicolor wire is known as bus to get it connected with the flying board. Now just look at the motor. This one is the motor packing, under which you will get a BLDC motor. You can see it will have 3 wires, red, yellow, black, and the other thing you will get is a packet of screws and a motor head, bullet head. So you can see this is the motor head. This is used to connect the motor with the wings, the propellers of the quad. Okay, so now just let me tell you the specifications of both of the devices. The ESC is, the rating of ESC is 30 ampere, and so you can see these 3 wires which I am holding are the connections to the motors. You can see we can join the motor connection with these 3 wires as per our clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation, and the other end, just look at here, the multicolor wire which I am holding is the bus which is used to connect this ESC with the controlling board, the flight board of the quad, and these two, the black and red wires, are for power supply, the battery. Okay, now just look at the motor. This is the normal BLDC motor with you can see the 1400 kV, and it is a 3-phase motor. Okay, now let me tell you, the BLDC stands for brushless DC motors, and now just let me tell you how you should make the connections for the anti-clockwise and the clockwise rotations of your quad as per your requirement. Okay, for the anti-clockwise rotation, what you have to do, you have to just swap any 2 wires. You can see the wires are in the red, yellow, black. What you have to do, just swap any 2 wires and connect with the blue ends. Just you can see what I am doing. And for the clockwise rotation, what you have to do, you have to just serially connect all the 3 wires with the 3 wires of ESC. You can see 3 wires are serially connected with the output of ESCs, the blue 3 wires. So I am back, and you can see we are having a flux and a shoulder and the soldering iron with me, and now I will solder the ESC with the BLDC motors. Okay, so first I will do the clockwise connect. So first I will show you the clockwise connections. What you have to do, just hold your motors and dip the connections of your ESC, and just take some solder and just touch it, and you can see the wires are just getting connected. Why we are using this soldering? Because we have to get the proper connections, because during the flight anything can happen. So to provide any type of damage to your quad, we are using these shoulders. So for the clockwise connection, what you have to do, just as I told you before, you have to connect all the 3 wires serially, like you can see what I am showing to you. And you can just wait for a moment, let me show you. Yeah, you can see here I have made it one more. You can see I had connected all the 3 ends of the motors with the 3 blue wires of ESC, and this one is for clockwise rotation. And let me show you the other one for the anti-clockwise rotation. Just give me a moment. Yeah, you can see what I have done. I have just swapped one wire. I have told you that this what you have to do. Instead of connecting all the three wires, I had swapped one wire with the other one. So the two wires are same and the other one, the yellow wire is swapped. We have altered these three wires. So for the counterclockwise or anti-clockwise rotation. Okay. So this was all. Thank you for group. Yeah, I have connected all the 4 motors for my quad, and you can see these 2 motors are for clockwise rotation of the quad, and these 2 motors are the anti-clockwise motion of the quad. Okay, so you can see for the anti-clockwise what I have done, I have just swapped one wire. Okay, so you can see the yellow wire is crossing the red, and on the other hand, on the clockwise rotation, all the 3 wires are connected with the blue wires serially, just black, yellow, red. You can see it.